everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be having a comparison between the Supabase and Neon. Hi everyone, so in this year 2025, choosing between Supabase and Neon comes down to whether you want an all-in backend or a slick, serverless Postgres engine. So first, Supabase. Right here is the go-to for full-stack project. It gives you hosted Postgres SQL with built-in Auth, real-time subscription, file storage, auto-generated APIs, and edge function, all wrapped in a developer-friendly dashboard. Neon, on the other hand, is a lean serverless PostgreSQL service with auto-scaling, Git-style branching, compute storage separation, and a pay-as-you-go model. So this one right here. So which is perfect when you need powerful posturage behavior without the infrastructure hassle. So it will go down that Supabase win for rapid development and real-time apps, while Neon shines in workflows demanding isolated dev environments and elastic performance. Here's a neat hack for you guys. So prototype fast in Supabase, then switch to your Neon as you need grow, or start pure with Neon if you just need flexible posturous power, and that's it.